Hello students, welcome to Ekalabya IIT JEE Maths Academy. In this session, we are going to discussing about the BITSAT previous year questions and the topic is integral calculus. Let us start with the first question. See the question, integration of 1 to 2 root x upon root 3 minus x plus root x dx is equal to dash. So I am taking this given integral as I, let I, and this is I am taking as equation number 1. Now I am going to using here one property, integration of a to b f of x dx, which is equal to integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. I am using this property here. So now this integral become integration of 1 to 2. Now a value is 1 and b value is 2. A value is 1 and b value is 2. Now a plus b minus x. So 1 plus 2 minus x, which means 3 minus x. Now wherever we have x, we can replace with the 3 minus x. So then this integral become root of 3 minus x upon root x plus root of 3 minus x dx. What is it? I. Now I am taking this is equation number 2. Now I am going to add equation number 1 and 2, then we get integration of 1 to 2 root x plus root 3 minus x upon root x plus root 3 minus x dx we get. Now this numerator denominator gets cancelled, which is equal to right side if we can add I plus I, which is 2 times of I. Now 2I, which is equal to integration of dx. Integration of dx is the x with the limits 1 to 2. Now after substituting the limits, we get 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. So therefore I is equal to 1 upon 2. So the correct answer is 1 by 2. Next question is integration of 1 by sin square x into cos square x dx is equal to dash. So how we can solve this one now? This numerator 1 we can also write sin square x plus cos square x, and denominator I am taking as it is sin square x into cos square x dx. Now I am splitting this integral, then it become integration of sin square x upon sin square x into cos square x dx plus integration of cos square x upon sin square x into cos square x dx. Now this sin square gets cancelled, here cos square gets cancelled. Then integration of 1 by cos square x. So 1 by cos square x na secant square x dx plus integration of here 1 by sin square x. 1 by sin square x na cosecant square x dx. Now integration of secant square x dx, which is equal to tan x. Integration of cosecant square x dx is the minus cot x and plus c. C is the constant. So the correct answer is tan x minus cot x plus c. Next question is f of x is equal to determinant of cos x 1 0 1 2 cos x 1 0 1 2 cos x. Then integration of 0 to pi by 2 f of x dx is equal to dash. So first of all we have to simplify this determinant. So f of x is equal to, so what we get here, cos x into 4 cos square x minus 1, then minus 1 into 2 cos x minus 0 plus 0. Now f of x is equal to, if we can multiply this 4 cos square x minus 1 with cos x, we get 4 cos cube x minus cos x, then here we get minus 2 cos x. So therefore f of x is equal to, we get 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So this 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, which is equal to what? Cos 3x. So we get finally f of x is equal to cos 3x. So now what they are asking in the question, integration of 0 to pi by 2 f of x dx. F of x is what? Cos 3x dx. Now integration of cos 3x is the sin 3x upon 3 with the limits 0 to pi by 2. Now 1 by 3 is the constant I am taking outside. Then if we can substitute pi by 2, we get sin 3 pi by 2 minus 0. So 1 by 3 into sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. So which is equal to minus 1 by 3. So the correct answer is minus 1 by 3. Next question is the area of the region bounded by y is equal to modulus of x minus 1 and y is equal to 1. So how we can solve this one now? I am using the graph here, x axis and this is y axis, and the line is y is equal to 1. So this is the line y is equal to 1 and y is equal to modulus of x minus 1. So this is modulus of x minus 1. So how we can find these points now? I am taking this is point A and this point B and this is point C. Now this line y equal to 1 touches the modulus of x minus 1 at some points. Now how we can find these points now? So this modulus of x minus 1, which means plus or minus x minus 1. So one time I am taking positive, x minus 1 is equal to 1, then x is equal to 2. So at x is equal to 2 we have y is equal to 1. At x is equal to we have 1. So this point is 2 comma 1. Now I am taking negative, I mean 1 minus x, which is equal to 1. So then x is equal to what? 0. So at x is equal to 0, y is 1. So this is a point B, and point A is, sure it should be 1 comma 1. Now I want to find area of this region. So it looks like a triangle. So now area is equal to half into base into height. What is the base? 2 into height. Height is how much? 1. 2 gets cancelled, therefore area is equal to 1 square unit. So this is the correct answer. Area is equal to 1 square unit is the correct answer.